This home Kashish is a tropical residence. So we wanted to merge the boundaries between inside and outside. We always believe in co-living with nature. So we always believe nature is not something which we see from a box or a window or something. It is something which we live with. For any architect who is practicing in Kerala, the main problems we are facing is like most of the clients will be coming to us with two concepts, like they want a traditional house or a contemporary house. So when we ask them what you really mean by traditional house, they will be telling we want sloping roof, we want wooden pillars, verandas. The traditional and contemporary architecture has got lots of potential. Traditional architecture has got a connection with nature, collecting those traditional elements and incorporating that in the contemporary lifestyle. Kashish is a classical example for that. This project is located in Muduvara, Thrissur, away from Thrissur-Kuttipuram State Highway. So we have this 20 cents of land. We wanted the building to get camouflaged. We had a very small road. So the main entry we provided in this portion only. We wanted this front yard as an extension of the internal courtyard. So when they open the gate, they should enter to a very beautiful courtyard. Sit out is a transition element from the outside courtyard towards the inside courtyard. So we had this concept called Padipura, where we didn't have the boundary wall, but we had a Padipura. That means the land is their house, not the building, not the house. Behind you can see is it's a resemblance of traditional Padipura. In the older times, the Padipura were used to enter the property. From the sit out, we have two entrances for this house. So the main entry is towards the courtyard. It's like the courtyard acts as the heart of the house only. That element of water should also be there in the courtyard. So we introduce a swimming pool, and without losing much space, we introduce a staircase right above the swimming pool. After the courtyard, we have another sliding door to enter the living space. And we have another entry also to the main circulation core of the house. So that will lead to the living and dining space. So we kept the living space double height. So we wanted the living core, that means the living, dining and an open kitchen, an open space only. So it should be together. That is the main area where the family lives. So the living active core was arranged in a way that everything is open. Everything is focusing towards the courtyard also. We introduced master bedroom in this area. So master bedroom was arranged in such a way that the courtyard should be completely visible or completely private for the master bedroom. We provided a bay window in a bedroom so that it will act as an additional living space. And the parents' bedroom in this area, like it's not just the bedroom, the outside space is also connected with the bedroom. So whenever they are using that, they will be like simply opening the door, and this part of the land will also be a part of this building. We place the staircases right above the water body, so that whenever they move through the staircase, they feel like they are moving above the water body. The staircase was designed in such a way that it should look like an art installation. You can see a rubble wall is there. It looks like a picture frame. And we had a very beautiful concept called Nadumuttam. Nadumuttam means like bringing life, nature, light and everything into the house. We have a bedroom in the first floor, which is for his younger son. We have a cantilevered balcony, which is also leading towards the central courtyard. So it is a crime if we didn't provide enough light in that. So providing maximum light and ventilation is not a celebrated thing or something. It should be there. In Kerala, as we are living in a tropical climatic zone, we decided to go with one side slope roof, sandwich panel roof. So the clients were the integral part in this. So only the structure completed while started living in this project. After that only, we and the client together started planting all these plants. Like this house was more than us, we valued the client's perspectives. When we introduced the concept of opening the house into nature or living with nature, they accepted that. But at the same time, they wanted all these privacy, security, safety and everything. We fought a lot. Like the client is very close to us. We are like a family only. So whenever we come to this house after the construction, we will be like sharing all those beautiful moments where we fought for. She wanted it to be closed. I wanted it to be open. So, but the best solution which we got for this house was the curtain wall, the louvered curtain wall. That solution came from that fight only. So while recollecting the memories now, it is the best fun moment in this design process.
We always gave total freedom. I mean, because what kind of concept we had and what Shyam had is in mind, everything has to amalgamate at some point of time. Then only it will turn up into a dream home.
I won't mention that as compromises because we are doing a project for a client. So we might be having lots of ideas, our architectural principles, but more than that, what I believe is the client's needs are the most important thing. The client is the one who is using this project. So we address the client's requirement first. After that, our ideologies and principles we value. So that is the reality in every project.
A place you can be most comfortable, most cherished, most loved. That is Kashish for us.
So after completing this project, we just gave this project to the client. So the name Kashish was suggested or done by the client only. We believe that let them enjoy their house, let them feel their house, and let them name their house. So Kashish is a very satisfying project for us.